The Roles and Security section allows you to control who can access what and from where. It has two primary functions. In the top section, it allows you to create different permission groups to assign to users, and in the bottom half, it allows you to control login access based on IP address and assigned role. When a company is created, two roles are automatically built, like you see here in my test account. There is an admin role, which has access to everything, and a default role, which does not have any access rights. At the bottom of the page, no login access control lists, or ACLs, are created by default, allowing any user in any role to log in from any IP address. To create a new role, simply click the Add button on the toolbar. To edit an existing one, first select it in the table, and then click Edit on the toolbar to open the dialog. Generally speaking, the role options correspond to the tabs within the panel, with only a few exceptions. You can precisely control which areas of the panel the role is permitted to access. You can hide the tab completely by disabling it, allow read-only access, read-write, which allows editing of existing items, or full control, which also allows the ability to add and delete items. In the Login ACL section, you can create IP address entries and assign them to a role. For example, if you only want users in an administrative role to access the panel from an office IP address, you could do that. You could also use this to restrict an API user account to only access from a specific IP as well, increasing the security of the API count, especially since they cannot use two-factor. One last thing to note. Roles do not create the ability to limit visibility of domains if you have DNS, or configs if you have ADC-as-a-Service. To accomplish that, you will need to request reseller mode be enabled so you can create sub-accounts. Sub-accounts will let you control that perfectly.